A hem is the finished edge of a garment, where the raw edge is folded and knitted or finished in some way. The hem that I will demonstrate today is a double turned hem, also known as a double fold or turned and stitched hem. This hem type is suitable for all lightweight fabrics and is also a durable finish for washable garments. Make sure the wrong side of the fabric is facing outward by turning your garment inside out before starting with your hem. Use a hem guide, sewing gauge or any other method to measure your hem. I made my own hem guide by measuring and marking off 1 cm increments, which is what I will mostly use. For this demonstration, my total hem allowance is 3 cm. Start by turning the raw edge of the hem up with 1 cm and press. If you are working with a lightweight fabric or a fabric that does not press well, it will be a good idea to baste this fold in place after pressing. Now turn up the edge of the hem with 2 cm to completely enclose the first fold and press. You can again baste or pin your hem in place before stitching. You can now turn your garment with the right side out, as you will be stitching on the right side of the fabric. Before you start, check your seam allowance on your machine and also set your machine to the right stitch pattern, stitch length, needle position and tension. Use washi tape to mark off your seam allowance if your seam width does not match any of the seam allowance guides on your machine plate. Make sure the outside of your garment is facing upwards before you start stitching. Lower the presser foot and stitch a few stitches. Secure the seam by back stitching. Continue to forward stitch. At the end of your hem, remember to backstitch once more. Finally, neaten your hem by ironing to set the hem and stitch.